Redneck Muck, peace. So I've got some plans. We'll see how they go. I'm in my dingy, dark garage because, why would I put more lights in? Can't see crap. But anyway, so the other day I went to a car show and I waxed her up real nice, and now I got to strip some of that wax off because I am going to be trying to do some pinstriping. I got some pinstriping tape, and I got some wider tape for the hood that I want to do a little spot on. And I grabbed scissors. I've never done this. Ever pinstripe a car? Me neither. Am I going to read the directions on the back? No. Why would I? Why would I? Huh? Directions. Those are for people that want to know what they're doing. And quite frankly, I never know what I'm doing. So, I'm just going to roll with it. I'm going to start off with cleaning, and then do some pinstriping, and we'll see what happens. All right? Follow me. We'll make this work. You think so? You think? Really? Okay. Slow look around. It's got that little raised lip above the door, and I wanted to try to pinstripe it. There's a little gap there. It's, varies by the door. I don't know. I feel like I did okay. This is the first time I've ever pinstriped anything. Granted, it's just tape pinstripe, so, how hard can it be? But, I've managed to do fairly well with it, I think. For just eyeballing and throwing it up there, I think I got my lines pretty much even where they're supposed to be. Oh, here's this side. It's got a little more white in it than the other side does, but pretty close. Learned as I go, and threw it on there. Perfect. No, pretty good. I think so. It'll work. Worst thing to do is come off. It comes off. You know what? It was like $10 a pack. Not too shabby. And man, that's a nice accent. Really nice. I think that's going to pop. We'll get some pictures out in the sun, or a video out in the sun here in a little bit. I got another thing I'm going to try, and then we'll go from there. Okay, the final walk around here. Not real happy with the tape on the hood. I love the looks, don't get me wrong, but the tape's having trouble sticking where my paint isn't as good as it should be. We'll see if it stays and go from there. But yeah, there is about an hour's worth of changes. I mean, you've seen plenty of pictures of the car, so you've got an idea of what it looked like. And I think that that sets it off pretty good. Pretty good. I'm pleased. I don't know if anybody else is, but you know, I'm pleased. I don't know. I figured that red would set that center scoop off a little bit. What do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments.